Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is interesting. So I'm going to be trying out a mascara that I have here. I have a little sample that I got when I purchased something. And what caught my eye about this particular mascara is it's got a 3D printed mascara brush. I've never heard of that. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of that, but I was like, huh? Okay, let's try it. And it promises to be extreme volume, dramatic, long wearing. I don't know if it's going to be long wearing. I'm not doing a wear test, but I'm just curious, 3D printed mascara wand. Let's see how that works. Anyways, so the mascara in question today is the Chanel Le Volume Revolution de Chanel. So it's a little sample. I was excited to try it and I figured, hey, you know what? Let's try it together. I know it's like a little mini size, but it's still makeup. All right, so here it is. Oh, look how cute it has the like C's for Chanel at the top. So it's a little baby mascara. First things first, I'm going to curl my lashes, and with all of my mascara reviews, I always use the Dr. Mascara Fixer and eyelash primer that I like on one eye, and the other one we kind of test out to see how it wears. So I'm going to put the primer on my left eye. So I'm just gonna curl first. If you're curious, this is a Shu Uemura, I hope I'm saying that correct, eyelash curler. I'm gonna take my primer and apply that. So we're gonna let that dry, and in the meantime, we're gonna work on my right eye. All right, so I'm gonna curl these eyelashes. All right, now for the moment of truth, the 3D printed mascara wand. I'm gonna open this guy up. Whoa, that is not what I was thinking it was gonna look like. Okay, these bristles are tiny. How is that gonna give me volume? How is that? I don't know. We're gonna have to find out. Let's just go for it. I'm gonna get in real close and just start. Okay, I see volume. I spoke too soon. I was judging the wand so quickly, and yet I'm putting this on. I haven't even like dipped it. This is still like one coat. That is one coat. That's pretty good. The formula is very, it's interesting. It's almost like, you know what it reminds me of? Like a gel liner. Like if you were to get a gel liner and kind of put that on this, like, you know what I mean? Like it's thick. So that's one coat. I don't know if you could see it. It's very black. It is pretty thickening too, which is nice. The only thing is that my eyelash is starting to drop. So we're gonna do the other eye now. It's such a cool brush. All right, let's do the other eye. I think I'm just gonna get really close so that you guys could see it. See me apply it. So let me just do it close for you guys. This is the eye that has a primer on already, so it's gonna hold the lashes better. is getting everywhere. All right, so here we are up close. I definitely think there's drama. I think there's volume, and I think there's like good length. Even with the eye that does not have the primer on, it still has a really nice length. So, wow. That's pretty impressive. I mean, look, I'm sitting away now. I'm not in the camera anymore, and you could see my eyelashes. Like, even on the side that dropped down, because the mascara is so black, it's definitely like defining my eyes nicely. That's pretty impressive. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't expecting much from this. So, regular size retails for $35. It's not bad. I mean, if you think about it, most high-end mascaras run about like $30. $35 is, it's kind of pushing it, but I guess it's not a bad price point for Chanel. I mean, that's a luxury brand. Wow, that's really nice. Completely blown away. So let me do something that I sometimes do when I put mascara on. All right, it did dry. Yeah, it's dried. It's not like tacky or sticky or anything. I'm going to curl my eyelashes, this one on the right that does not have the primer, and just to see how it kind of looks. Sometimes that holds my lashes up. I don't recommend doing that unless your eyelashes are completely dry, because you risk the chance of pulling out your lashes, and that hurts a lot. Okay, so this is it curled up. It's not bad. I can't get over, like, the pigment in the mascara is truly, truly black. It's so hard to find a true black mascara. Most of the time they're like blue black, gray black, brown black. So there you go, 3D printed mascara, tested. I like it. Very nice. Super impressed. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I would truly appreciate it if you hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe. It's free. I do upload 2 to 3 times a week, so I'll be there on your feed. And make sure you hit that notification button. All right, guys, I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.